Hi guys, welcome to my channel and I hope you are doing good today because I'm about to share with you how to make this simple ruffle edge underwear. Before we waste any time, let's get started. So guys, I've already have the pattern laid out over here. If you want to know how to draft this underwear, there is a tutorial in my channel of which you can go ahead and check it out. So I folded my fabric into two and I did cut out the front and the back piece. So in order for us to sew this, we need to join the gusset together with the back piece. Okay guys, once we are done attaching the gusset to the front and the back piece, we are now going to start creating our ruffles. So you will need your regular machine and you're going to set it on a narrow zigzag stitch. So I'm going to show you how it looks when we actually start sewing right on the edge of your lace. Once you are done sewing, this is how it will look. As you can see, it has those nice waves. So I'm going to go ahead now and use a different thread, which is going to be a black thread, to create those nice waves on my underwear. And this is how it looks as soon as we are done. I'm really loving the colors, the black and the white. So we will also go ahead and attach the elastic. When you do so, make sure you attach the elastic just before the ruffles. So, and when you attach the elastic, just make sure that you pull it as you sew. And make sure you don't pull it too much. And this is the outcome, guys, as you can see how it looks on the inside. So you want to go ahead and do the same thing on your waist. The same method we've used on the leg opening, we want to also use the same thing on around the waist. And then now we want to go ahead, once we're done, I want to go ahead now and sew the side of the underwear. And we are complete, guys. I really love how this turned out. I believe I'm going to make more of this, different colors, and I hope you guys will also enjoy making this project as much as I did. As for me, see you on the next one.